I work in the Office of Performance Management for the City of Austin. I'm primarily responsible for their statistics, any sort of business intelligence software, and putting out information to the public in an easy to understand format. So the City of Austin has used Socrata in a variety of ways. We have both the open data portion, which of course has the mapping component, which allows us to have quite a bit of information mapped in a GIS spatial format for our users to understand where exactly trends are happening. We also use Perspectives, which helps to tell a qualitative narrative story along with quantitative data that's being pulled directly from the Open Data Portal. So one of the things that I appreciate about Socrata is the fact that the data is there and ready for us to use right away. So instead of me having to go to different departments and request the information, it's already readily available for me to pull and for citizens to use as well. Some of the feedback that we've received from citizens about Socrata has mainly been around what we call our performance ATX, which uses Socrata Perspectives. And that's primarily something that my group is responsible for in the Office of Performance Management. And what that does is it allows us to tell a narrative along with the key performance indicator information to make our performance measures much more meaningful to the resident. But with our Performance ATX application, we have over 25,000 viewers to date, and they have been getting the exact same information in an easy to understandable format. Before Socrata, I think a lot of our data is just siloed and housed within departments, and I think that's very common when you're dealing with governments and municipalities. After the implementation of Socrata, suddenly there's visibility. There's this new transparency that is available to departments. And so now, if I am transportation, I know exactly what kind of data is being recorded by police or by fire or other public safety agencies. And that starts to allow for more collaboration between departments. We make decisions based on a lot of anecdotal information, and now we actually have the research and the data to back it up and to help make our decisions much more informed and more efficient. Socrata is absolutely powerful, and it's empowering to not only the departments but to our citizens, because now it puts those questions directly into everybody's hands. You have the raw data, you can start exploring it, you can start really understanding, you can begin to understand the story that it's trying to tell, and that's really empowering and informative to everybody that uses it.